The Fram Museum in Oslo tells the story of Roald Amundsen, perhaps the greatest polar explorer ever. Not only was he the first to reach the South Pole on December 14, 1911, he and his crew made it back alive. Englishman Robert F. Scott reached the pole 5 weeks later. Alas, no one survived the return trip. Amundsen had gained insights from the Inuits on how to dog sled, hunt for seals, kayak, fish, and even which furs best suited which tasks. In 1926, when Amundsen flew the airship Norge, he also became the first verified explorer to reach the North Pole. Previous claims from the likes of Cook and Peary have been exposed as dubious. Perhaps most impressively, in 1906, after a 3-year voyage on the Joa, Amundsen became the first explorer to discover the elusive Northwest Passage. He sailed the Arctic waterways from the Atlantic to the Pacific. So many explorers, like Columbus, John Cabot, Francis Drake, James Cook, and Henry Hudson, all tried but failed. At the Fram Museum, you can board Amundsen's iconic ships, the Fram and the Joa. Here's a recreated glimpse of sailing near Antarctica. I can vouch for the turbulence of the Southern Ocean.
So I'm aboard the Fram where they're simulating the weather encountered by Amundsen on his way to the South Pole. I don't think I could have survived this.
I have one word for Amundsen, but let the Vikings say it.
Thud, thud, thud.